Hi, I'm Christina Heideck with PTO Answers, and today I want to answer the hot topic question: are in-person meetings actually still necessary? So I'm recording this in the summer of 2021. We are in probably the midpoint of the pandemic, and as many of us know, PTOs and PTAs could not meet in person for pretty much the past 18 months or so. And so a lot of us have switched to a lot of us have switched to online meetings, which have gone for the most part pretty well, I think. I know for my own groups, we had a lot of positive feedback. We had increased participation for some meetings, not all. And so that kind of begs the question, do we really need to meet in person still? And I'm going to go with yes, we definitely still need to be meeting in person, because there's nothing that can replace that, that the feeling that comes from meeting all together. You build community faster. You get to feel like you really get to know people. And so I think that you shouldn't go back totally to meeting just in person. I think having a few online meetings can really be a smart way to keep participation rates kind of high and keep people interested. I think in months when you don't have very much business and things might be very busy for people's schedules, think your December meeting. Usually that's a meeting in my group where not a whole heck of a lot of business needs to be taken care of. Everybody is busy with holiday obligations. And so that to me seems like a really great meeting to have online and not have in person. Whereas the first meeting of the year in either August or September, that's definitely one that you would prefer to have be in person versus virtual, just because some people might feel weird about coming to an online meeting. They might just, I think you're going to get increased people feeling of belonging and community. It's just, I think it's easier to build that kind of stuff with in-person meetings than virtual meetings. So that's why I just answered my own question with a yes. We definitely still, your PTA and PTO should definitely still continue to meet in person, but definitely keep those virtual meetings in the mix. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up or give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos as I release them. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with you soon.